And this is my, I met Yanni in 2017. Like a lot of the ladies, I found her online as well. I was just trying to be a barber and a loctician, but I was just learning how to do locks. I went on to work at Chrysler for like 9 months. I wanted to take a leap of faith, and I walked out of Chrysler. And my journey began as working full time in a shop. The last couple months of 2017 up until I would say like last year of, kind of just doing both cutting hair and doing locks. Well, as of late, I have only been doing locks. I watched myself go from hardly mentioned to most mentioned on Facebook in my city of Toledo, Ohio, when they ask, who does locks, blah, blah, blah. Some people say I'm the GOAT. The styles I do that I learned from Yanni, nobody know. It's only one other girl in this town that knows how to do them, and guess what? She learned from Yanni. My retwist alone can stand against somebody's style for real. I had this guy come to me in November. I retwisted his hair. He came back in February. Do y'all know his retwist was still intact? So just from the skills that I learned from Yanni with how to retwist and how to style and everything, like it has put me, humbly speaking, because I don't even talk like this, as one of the best in my city. So guess what? I changed my prices. People still come. On most days, I'm making at least $300-400 a day. Yeah. And I wasn't making that at Chrysler. So walking out of Chrysler was huge for me. I really just want to thank Yanni for inspiring me and coaching me to be the best. And I'm still on that path.